Good morning, children. So children, as you have already read about addition and its properties, so today children will be learning about the statement sums. So statement sums means how to represent the information given in statements. So children, as you can see, there is a question on the board. Let me read it out for you. There are 150 toffees in one packet and 250 toffees in another packet. So how many toffees are there in all? When children the question is given in all, that means you have to add it to find out the total toffees or anything, whatever the question is asked. So let's children learn how to write this in the statements. So as it is given 150 toffees in one packet. So we will write toffees in one packet is equal to 150. Then toffees in another packet is equal to 250. So children, to find out the total number of toffees, we have to add them. So 150 plus 250. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 is carried over. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So we can tell that toffees in all. So therefore, 400 toffees are there in all. So children, this was one example for statement sum. So now let's begin with exercise 2D. Okay children? Okay, let me write the question. Okay children, so here is the question. First question of exercise 2D. So there are 230 small bits and 150 big bits in a necklace. So how many bits are there altogether? As I said you that in when the question is asked in all or all together or it is asked total, so we will add it. So let's write the statements for this. So we'll write small bits in a necklace is equal to 230. Big bits in a necklace is equal to 150. Okay. Now to find out the total number of beads. So we will add it. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is beads altogether, or you can also write total beads. So therefore 380 beads are there altogether. Okay children, I hope you understood. Now let's move on to the next question. So children, now it's the next question. That is, in a library there are 420 Hindi books, 180 science books and 730 English books. So how many books are there in the library? So as I told you, to find out how many also we will add. So let's write the statements for this question. So first we'll write Hindi books is equal to 420. Science books is equal to 180. English books equal to 730. So children, to find out total number of books, we will add it. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 1 is carried over. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. So we can say this is the total books. Total books. We can also write total books in the library. But because we will write here therefore, so we can mention it here. So 1330 books are there in the library. Okay children, now let's move on to the next question. Okay, so now the third question, that is, a sweet maker made 1575 laddus in the morning and 2150 laddus in the evening. So how many laddus did he make altogether? So children, as I already said you, when question is all together, all, how many, total, we will add the problem. Okay, so let's write the statements. So laddus made in the morning, laddus made in the morning equal to 1575. Then laddus made in the evening equals to 2150. So to find out how many total laddus we will add. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 is carried over. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is the total laddus. Therefore, 3725 laddus he made all together, or else you can also write he made 3725 laddus all together. Both are same. Okay children? So now question number 4 children. A shopkeeper had 925 eggs and he bought 1200 more. So how many eggs he had now? So the question has said that a shopkeeper had 925 eggs. So he already had 925 eggs and he bought 1200 more. So he bought 1200 eggs more. So the question is asked, how many eggs he had now? So let's do it. Eggs he had equals to 925. Eggs bought more equals to 1200. So to find out how many total eggs he had, we have to add it. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 is again carried over. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So we can write total eggs. So therefore he had 2125 eggs now. Okay children, understood? Now children, let's move on to the next question. Okay children, so let's move on to the next question, that is question number 5. A building was decorated with 240 green bulbs, 350 red bulbs and 190 yellow bulbs. So how many bulbs were used in all? So there was a building which was decorated with bulbs. So what colors they used? They used 240 green bulbs, 350 red bulbs and 190 yellow bulbs. So now it is asked, so how many total bulbs were used? So let's write the statements for this. Green bulbs used equals to 240 red bulbs used equals to 350 yellow bulbs used equals to 190. So to find out the total number of bulbs decorated, we have to add it. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 is carried over. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So we can write total bulbs used. So therefore 780 bulbs were used in all. So children, there are 8 questions and I have already explained 5 of them. So rest 3 children, you do it yourself, you try to do it yourself. Okay children? Till then, bye, take care.